An educational video by Patanjali Rishikul, Prayagraj, Class 5, Subject Value Education, Topic Good Manners. Good morning, my dear children. Welcome to another class of Value Education. My dear children, topic for today is good manners. So, let's get started. Hello, children. Do you know good manners are essential in our life as they help us to behave well in the society. They also helps you to feel good about yourself and your identity. Therefore, you can create your unique personality due to good manners. So let's be ready to learn good manners. Go to bed early and wake up early. Children, you should always go to bed early and wake up early in the morning. With this, you will be able to complete all of your work on time. Say good morning. When you get up in the morning, you should always wish your elders. Remember, it is very important to say good morning. Alright? Say hello. When you meet someone, you should always say hello. How are you? And yes, of course, with a pretty smile on your face, just like you smiled now. Using the magical words. Please, when you want something from others or if you want a favor from others, you should always say please. Like, can you give me your notebook, please? Thank you. When someone does you a favor, you should always say thank you. But when someone says thank you to you, you must always say you're welcome and always say it from your heart. Sorry. If you have done something wrong, just don't worry. We all do that. Or if you have hurt someone, then you should always say, I am sorry. So, children, with these three magical words, you can create magic all around. Talking to others. While talking to others, you should always speak softly and politely. And yes, always remember, never ever use harsh words. I know you never do that, but you have to remember this always. Say, excuse me. You should not speak in between when someone else is speaking. You should wait for your turn or say, excuse me. You can also say, excuse me when you sneeze. Keep your house clean. You should always keep your house and your room neat and clean. Always keep your toys and books at their proper place. Do not waste. Everything we have is a gift from God, so never waste anything. Always be kind to the animals. We should always be kind to the animals because we share this planet with them. Hurting them in any way is wrong, very wrong. Try to protect them in ways you can. They can be your best friends also. Thank you, children. God bless you all. Have a nice day. Stay home. Stay safe.